This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Hello everyone, I'm so excited about today's Bougie Nails on a Budget because this is another one where I'm using nail foil. For everyone new, I welcome you here today. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech having fun on this channel and hope you enjoy it. I post regularly on Tuesdays and Thursdays and offer much other random content on other days. So if you do like this, don't forget to subscribe. I started with this beautiful rich pink. In fact, of the pinks, this is my favorite shade because it's cute but also mature at the same time. I am also using, one of my favorites, which is the Silver Chrome by LA Girls. I am literally down to the last of it and really trying to make this polish stretch. So I go ahead and do the 2 coats of each color, and while those nails are drying, I'll start with the nail foil. I love nail foil because whether you are good with nail art or struggle with it, I just think it's a go-to for everyone to achieve amazing nails. Don't you agree? So let's talk about this star glue. It is a non-curing glue, so you just polish it on. When I first got it, it worked without flaw. Not saying it doesn't now, but one thing I did notice, depending on how, where, or how long it's stored, the consistency of the glue does change. I store mine at room temperature in my nail area. This glue gives me the feel of like a school glue, you know what I mean? And if you think of it from that perspective, school glue does have characteristics of thickening even when it's not in use. Polish the star glue on as evenly and somewhat as generously as possible. Now here, make note that on this one nail, I only applied the glue to a portion of the nail. I'm pointing this out so you don't think the glue didn't work well. I was kind of going for a partially random, like a French-like nail. So when you do use this star glue, remember to roll and mix it the same as you would your nail polish and be sure that it is blended very well. This pink floral is what I chose for this set and it is so perfect with the polish colors. Now make certain to allow the glue to dry to a totally clear appearance, then apply your nail foil. When rubbing the foils, try to work in a decided pattern to keep from missing any areas because that could be a culprit too. You can also use your fingers as it helps with the transfer from the warmth in your hands. Your body temperature. When I peel, I roll back as opposed to lifting up because you can also lift some of your pattern up and away. Once the transfer has taken place, you can smooth any wrinkles gently with your fingers. It turned out so beautiful. Now keep in mind, this one nail will not come out as a whole pattern. This was the one, remember, I only applied the star glue partially. The only problem it created for me was when the glue dried to a transparency, I couldn't tell where the edges were to be able to match the foil. But it still turned out as I expected. one of the things that I did want to remember to mention is how awkward it could be to work nail foil while these nails are on your tip stand. If you tuck the tips of your finger underneath the curvature of the nail, it will help it stay in place while you work your foil. Now, because the background is clear, I outlined with the chrome and some touches of white to make the edges of the flower more visible. Now I apply the top coat. A little advice of caution: whenever top coating the chrome nail, be sure that all edges are covered because it can have a tendency to peel. Now for the embellishments, these came from like one of those dollar wheels from my local beauty supply, and I swapped it over into my own container. It had like the pearl-like beads, little gold and pink caviar beads that I thought would be so cute with this set. So I place a line of beads alternating with a few rhinestones. Then I try to get some pink caviars in between, but got some gold ones here or there. But it still looks so cute. This set turned out so pretty, and the best thing, it was done on a dime, because that's what bougie nails on a budget is all about. I hope you like it, and if you do, remember to hit the like button. And if you're new or visiting today, consider subscribing to my channel where you will also see acrylic and polygel sets as well. Remember, hit the Nailification bell and become part of the Nailification Squad so you'll know when we're getting together. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.